Okay guys, looking at gold buys. Gold buys. Manage your risk, okay guys? I got in, okay? Gold buys. Just manage your risk, okay? Because price could create a huge wick here. Okay guys, give me 1 second, okay? Oh guys. Holy, look at that guys. Ooh, nice guys. Ooh, take profit. Made 300 bucks guys, like a G. Let's freaking go guys. Let's go like a boss. Let's go. Let's go.
If it's your first time here, welcome to the family. Consider subscribing below if you're looking to level up on your trading. We do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys don't miss out on these live streams, guys. Absolute high value, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And as you know, our family is growing day by day. So super excited with the content that I'm pulling in. So make sure you guys watch the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to catch over 180 pips on gold this week. So make sure you guys tune in to the very end. And if you enjoyed this video, comment below, let me know guys. Also let me know your favorite pairs that you enjoy trading. And with that being said guys, let's get started with this video.
Alright guys, let's dive in. Let's not waste any time. So if it's your first time here guys, super excited to have you. My name is Pedro FX and we do live streams every single day, like I mentioned earlier. So make sure you guys tune in and join the family. Also, make sure you guys check the links below in this video description and join in our free Telegram group, Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join. And guys, amazing community on there as well. And if you're looking for mentorship, you're looking for that extra step-by-step mentorship and one-on-one live Zoom calls, join in my VIP inner circle. The link is in the video description below. All the links are below guys, so make sure you follow me on all my socials. With that being said guys, let's dive in. Let's take a look at gold guys and how I was able to profit over 184 pips guys in my smaller account. But either way guys, welcome in, and make sure you guys watch to the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to catch this opportunity and how you can also catch this opportunity yourself, and how you can also become a consistently profitable trader. So with that being said guys, let's continue on. So what did I look at? What was I looking at as a trader? So let's always start, and you guys know I always like to look at basic market structure. I always like to focus on price action. Price action is king guys when we're trading. As traders, we want to focus on market structure. We want to kind of move everything and keep it clean slate. So let's remove everything as it is. I moved price right now on replay, so I've moved it back to where I was when I took that, when I placed that trade, so that you guys could use it as reference and see how I was able to scope out this opportunity. Okay, now one of the things that we always want to look at is market structure, right? And so where are we in the markets? We want to know the direction. We start from the highest time frame to the lowest time frame, and typically every trader is different, so keep that in mind, right? But the way I like to do it, I like to look at the daily first. So obviously the daily, we want to see where we are, what direction are we in the markets. We see that previously we were in this nice downwards channel, this downwards trend, however you want to call it. And so now we want to understand, where are we currently, right? Where could we see that price could be heading? And we did see, after the strong downwards channel, we saw a strong break to the upside. Okay, so typically when we see that, we can understand that there is a shift in the market, right? So what I saw was, well, we're coming pretty much, we got that strong momentum, but we're coming pretty much to this level of resistance, guys. Look at this. We got multiple levels here of support, support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance, and resistance right now, right? So we had that strong breakout, right, out of this downwards channel, and now we're retesting this major level structure. Now that we know that, we want to narrow this down to this smaller time frame. Now, are we in a bullish trend? Not yet necessarily, but potentially, because the thing is, after a strong move like this, right, to the upside, this move here, let me show you in a second here, we can anticipate some sort of an exhaustion. And we already got a little bit of an exhaustion here, but we can anticipate even a more stronger pullback, a more complex pullback all the way back down. Most traders think that just because we got this strong push, we can anticipate a continuation all the way back up to these highs or whatever, right? But we have to understand that sometimes price isn't always going to go from a downwards trend all the way back up to an upwards trend right away, right? Sometimes we may see price actually come back up, pull back, yes, but we may see a range happen, right? Or consolidation, right? In this case, it would be a range, right? So I could expect gold actually to pull back down to potentially these lows. This could be TP1 over here. We can see gold come back down and maybe retest these lows over here, or retest the lows all the way down here. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. Sometimes price, right there. So keep that in mind. Sometimes price may do that. So knowing that, we narrow it down to the 4-hour time frame. What are we looking at? Well, what I saw was, I knew that we were coming at a major level of structure. I knew that we were kind of starting to exhaust, okay? But I also noticed that we were creating higher lows, okay? And we were also pretty much creating some sort of a higher high as well. So we could see that we were in this upwards channel, okay? This is what I started noticing on the 4-hour time frame, okay? I started noticing price was respecting this upwards channel momentum, okay? I'm just gonna adjust this so that you guys can see how I look at the markets here. Okay, there we go. Sometimes it doesn't cooperate the greatest, but you can understand kind of what I'm seeing here. So what I saw was one of the following, right? So I saw we're at a major level structure here, resistance area. Okay, by the way, what does this tell me as a trader? Well, we failed to what? So far, we've rejected it 1, 2, 3 times, right? So we failed to what? Create a higher high, okay? Indicator number 1, that price is starting to change its overall momentum, right? We may be actually looking for a break to the downside, right? So, but not selling yet, because we still haven't broken below this low. This is the previous low. So as a trader, I may anticipate one more retest to this high, at least this level high, or maybe a tad bit higher, but to be honest, probably to this high, and see price retest this high once more before we see a breakdown to the downside, right? And so that's what happens with a lot of traders, that they see, yes, they may see sometimes this channel, maybe not, but they see that price has rejected this level 3 times already, and we are at a major level of resistance on the daily. So then they start looking for sells, because we already see that we've got, well, this is one high, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, right? And this is a low, potentially lower low. Wrong. We always have to understand that there could be a complex pullback, right? So what I was seeing here as a trader, I was like, we're kind of still at the bottom of this upwards channel. I'm not looking for sell opportunities until we break for gold, until we break below this major level right here, okay? This level here is much more significant to me as a level where I may see sell opportunities. Now, how do I see that? Well, you might ask, Pedro, what are you talking about? How can I see sell opportunities? Why do I have to wait there? Because this is the previous low. If we go back up to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this is a previous low. Hold on, let me show you guys in a second. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So you can see that this is the previous low here, right? We're creating what? We got a low here, higher high, higher low, higher, no higher high. So what is that telling us? Okay, there's a shift in the market, right? There's an exhaustion, right? We're at a major resistance area. So I would want to see sells if price comes down this level, breaks this previous low, pulls back and retest, and then we anticipate a continuation. Okay, that's the only way I'm looking for selling opportunities, guys. Okay, keep that in note, guys. Comment below if you understand what I'm saying, guys. Let me know in the chat box, or sorry, I'm used to saying chat box, but let me know in the comment section if you understand. Even if this is a replay, guys, let me know if you're understanding that that explanation there. Now, that's why we look for sell opportunities once we break below this level structure. But why did I look for buys? Because we were still respecting this upwards channel. However, that didn't mean that I was anticipating a higher high. It could have been a possibility, but I started to see price holding this level, and look at this, guys. I saw this. Look at this resistance, previous resistance. Look, we got support, support, and now is holding it as a level support. And this is where I said, I may anticipate one more leg back up to retest these highs once more, and then we may see a pullback down. Okay, now let me play this out for you guys. Okay, so that you guys could see what ended up happening. And I actually caught this live in one of my live streams this last week. So I'm going to see if I can find that clip, and I'm going to post it in here, or I'm going to share it to you guys afterwards. But it was in the live stream. So crazy how it ended up going. So I'm going to find that clip and I'm going to attach it to this video so you guys could see. And yeah, this is why I was looking at buy opportunities overall. If we narrow it down here, yes, it looked bearish, but let's play and see what ends up happening, guys. And I'll show you why I looked for buys and how I was able to catch a great, perfect buy opportunity. So let's see here. Yes, okay, so we're gonna let it play. We're gonna play this and let it do its thing. We'll see what ends up happening here. Let's watch this together, guys. Boom. Look at that spike, guys. Look at that spike. Look at that. This is where I got on my buy entries here, and this is where I told you guys we were looking at a pullback, and in fact it actually broke above the resistance area. Right, this is what I'm telling you. I caught my 180 pips and I was laughing. You know what I mean? I took it right here, and I'm gonna attach the video and show you guys. But I think I took profit around 180, right around here, around right there. Just because, again, I stuck to my plan, and we had no drawdown, by the way. We had news come out, and yeah, like it was no drawdown. We had about, I think it was a 40 pip stop loss. Beautiful, beautiful turnout, guys. Beautiful turnout, exactly as expected, right? Now, again, you might have thought, I'm looking for sells, right? We're at a major resistance area, I'm looking for sells, but this is what I'm talking about, where we always want to look at the higher time frames to understand the overall direction, guys. And I teach this in my live streams every single day, every single time. And especially when we're anticipating and we know that we're at a major resistance area on the daily, and we're anticipating some sort of an exhaustion after a strong, look at this bullish move here, guys. Look at this strong bullish move. Now, let's see how much pips we're talking. From here to here, we're talking over 1,000 pips, guys. Okay, this is a lot. This is a big move, right? So we need to anticipate an exhaustion, right? And what I anticipate on the higher time frames is for price, right, especially after a strong downwards momentum, not to just go into a bullish momentum. It needs to exhaust. So me anticipate it probably to come back down here, range, right? And then we can anticipate a potential push to the upside, retest, and continue to start going higher, right? Price isn't going to go into a bullish market right away, right? We have to understand that price moves in waves, and sometimes price, more often than not, will be stuck in a ranging market, right? And so when we look at the higher time frames, we understand we're at a resistance area, but also we need to understand what is price trying to tell us, right? We failed to create what? A higher high. We may anticipate some sort of exhaustion. However, price before anything will sometimes come back and retest a certain high or retest a certain low before it goes back up, right? Look at this, for example. Okay, let's look at this over here, guys. You see this here? We were going down. What happened? We came back down to this ranging area, this low level of support, right? And what happened? Price came back up. We had a strong push. Yes, okay, we're looking for buys. We're probably going to come back up to this high, right? No. Look, remember what I told you. Price will always come back, almost more often than not, come back to a support level, retest it once more before it actually goes all the way back up, right? So that's the same thing we saw over here with gold. And this is how I was able to profit over 180 pips, guys, in one single morning. In less than 25 minutes, I literally grabbed my small account and I made over 300, I think it was over $300 on that small account that I've started with $100, guys. I've been sharing it with you guys little by little. And you're probably wondering, because I do have a larger account, you're probably wondering why such a small account, why whatever. But the thing is, I literally started it with $100 and I wanted to prove to you guys, and I share it in my live streams, that you can do it when you manage your risk, guys. As long as you manage your risk, you're able to actually make profits, guys. You're able to grow a $100 account. It is possible. As long as you're managing your risk, you're sticking to your trading plan, you're really disciplined. You're not just over trading as well, guys. You're sticking to your plan, and you know what I mean? You don't allow your emotions to get in it, right? So biggest thing I've noticed as a trader is when you allow your emotions to get in, that's when you start making the biggest mistakes, right? Think with logic, think with a cold mind. Don't let your emotions make the decisions for you, right? Stick to your plan. Be disciplined, guys. Trust me, discipline pays. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you found this video helpful in any way, smash that like button, guys. But also let me know in the comment section below if you actually enjoyed this video or if you learned something, guys. And also, guys, follow me on all my socials. All the links are below, guys. We're live every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I appreciate you all. I hope you have an amazing Christmas, an amazing New Year's, guys. Thank you so much. And welcome to all of our new members, guys. If you're tuning in, don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single video or a single live stream, guys. But with that being said, I appreciate you all very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.